What if I told you you can stabilize your internet connection and improve your browsing experience using a simple VPN setup most people ignore? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up BND Tunnel VPN for a fast, a stable and a secure internet connection. This method works on Android devices and can help you improve connection stability and privacy. So even if you have never set up any VPN application, this tutorial is beginner friendly. I'm going to be going step by step so that everyone can get to connect. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. If you get any problem, the comment section is open. So let me start up the tutorial. Step 1. Let us open Google Play Store, and then after you're going to search the application BND Tunnel VPN. You're going to download and install this application, and then after installing it, we are going to open the application. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for demonstrational, informational, research and educational purposes only. So users are requested to follow the community guidelines, network service providers, terms and conditions, and then the local laws, and then use the comment section responsibly. Don't promote hate speech and other don't promote links and other stuff. Then after, it will request you to join their Telegram channel, but I request you to join their Telegram channel if you're going to be using this application to keep up with the important updates. Then after, accept any permission, allow all permissions that will be requested to you by this application, and then we're going to do this next. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this with your two friends. Keep in mind that we also created a WhatsApp group. You'll be finding the link in our channel about, and then we created a backup YouTube channel. Subscribe to that YouTube channel, guys, because some videos are going to be dropped in that channel, not at this channel. So let us come right here. You're going to be dropping some videos at that YouTube channel called Imbazira Data. Subscribe to that YouTube channel. So I'm going to come where we have update config, the first option, this one, and then we're going to be seeing this message that your config is up to date. Then press OK. We're going to come where we have the auto select servers, and then you're going to be changing that option, but I recommend you guys to keep up with the auto select server. Check up with the auto select server, and then choose any server that is near to your country's location, but I recommend to use the auto select server. Let us come where we have the BB Oman Tail Instagram pack. Then you can come and choose a server from your country, and then after you can come where you have all networks, and then you can search your country. For example, you can search Zimbabwe, you can also search and other countries, but I'm going to be choosing this one for some countries, but I recommend you guys to choose this one for a country. Then after, I'm going to be connecting that one. What is happening? I want this one. And then after, press the connect button. Make sure that your country supports the UDP to be able to use this one. Then after, connect, and then wait for a few seconds for this application to connect. If it fails to connect, this is what you're going to do. You're going to put airplane mode on and then off. You're going to restart the application. You're going to also clear the app data. You're going to try to reconnect again. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to a friend. I sign out.